Let's begin with the voter turnout as several constituencies go to polls. There are 58 constituencies where polling is currently underway, and the voter turnout as of now is 39.13%, with Haryana and Bihar standing at 36.48%. In Uttar Pradesh, it is at 37.23%. In Delhi, it is 34.37%. In West Bengal, it's higher with 54.8%. In Jammu and Kashmir, it is 35.22%. So this is the voter percentage that you're seeing on the screens. As of now, it is at 39.13%, and this is until 1 p.m. In the morning, remember, the voting percentage is slightly high. In the afternoon, it usually dips, after which in the evening it picks up again. The numbers are on your screens. In Uttar Pradesh, it is 37.32%. Well, when the stakes are high, victory is the only goal by hook or crook. With 10 days left for the 2024 election results, the political discourse is sinking to new depths. A day after Rahul Gandhi suggested that Prime Minister Modi should be taken to a psychiatrist for thinking he isn't biologically born, now the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge has heaped more insult. In fact, he has cited Prime Minister Modi's holy dip at Varanasi and his underwater tapasya at Dwarka. Mallikarjun Kharge saying he at times jumps into sea or goes off to take a dip in Ganga. He's talking about 1947. Will he live till then? He's talking about 2047, talking about making India Viksit Bharat by 2047 and asking, will he live till then? Listen in to the fresh tirade.
माँ गंगा ने उसको बुलाई है और वो बोल रहे हैं कि 47 तक 47 का शाश्वत भी रहेंगे अगर क्योंकि कहीं समुंदर में डूबते हैं, कहीं गंगा में डूबते हैं, कभी गुहा में जाते हैं, कभी अकेले तपस्या करते हैं। उस तपस्या का फल अगर उनको मिलने वाला है तो मुझे मालूम।
24 के इस चुनाव में एक तरफ 24 घंटे आपके लिए मेहनत करने वाला मोदी है, तो दूसरी तरफ 24 घंटे आपसे झूठ बोलने वाला इंडी गठबंधन है। एक तरफ मोदी है जो 24 घंटे सातों दिन 2047 में विकसित भारत बनाने में जुटा है, वहीं दूसरी तरफ ये इंडी गठबंधन है। इंडी गठबंधन के पास काम नहीं है, जेल में विश्राम करके रहते हैं, कोई बाहर रहते हैं, और इसलिए ये इंडी गठबंधन दिन हो या रात सिर्फ मोदी को गालियां देने में जुटा है।
Well, despite the counter strike by Prime Minister Modi, the opposition is unrelenting. Listen into some reactions.
If you do good karma, you get good results. If you try to do something which is not in the interest of the people, or you try to deceive somebody by giving false promises, you will not get better results. This is what our Congress President Shri Mallikarjun Kharge ji meant.
Let's go across to my colleague Sabyasachi joining us on the broadcast. Sabyasachi, no lessons learned. Polling is still underway in 58 constituencies. The personal attacks against the Prime Minister continue.
Well, absolutely. See, on one hand, the polling is taking place here in the national capital and in the other states. And on the other hand, the personal jive towards Prime Minister Narendra Modi by several leaders from the India Alliance could be seen. Now, see, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has hit back at the India Alliance, stating that whether it is day or whether it is night, India Alliance leaders just have one thing, that is to abuse Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And he points out one important thing, saying that that Prime Minister Narendra Modi is with the people of the country 24/7, where on the other hand, the leaders of the India Alliance, they have been lying 24/7. So the war of words is escalating between Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the opposition leaders, where Prime Minister Narendra Modi clearly seems unhindered by the personal remarks coming in from the opposition leaders, because it is not something new that we had seen that in the past also Prime Minister Narendra Modi's family, Prime Minister Narendra Modi's mother was dragged into politics where wrong words were used against them. But Prime Minister says that this has been the nature of the opposition parties, whereas the focus of the BJP as well as Prime Minister Narendra Modi is to work for the betterment of the people of the country, and that's what the BJP is focusing on. Whereas the Congress also is continuously attacking Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the BJP. The Congress says that Prime Minister Narendra Modi is not well, and that is the reason why this sort of statement are being coming in from Prime Minister Narendra Modi. We also heard Mallikarjun Kharge stating that by 2047, which Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision of Viksit Bharat, Mallikarjun Kharge says by that time whether he would be alive or not, that is a question. See, one thing is very clear, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who is contesting from Varanasi for the third time, we had seen on ground that how he has been continuously in touch with the people of Varanasi, and also on different occasions he has spoken about Ma Ganga. So at this particular time, these sort of words coming in from the Congress president is what the BJP is saying, and the BJP condemns this sort of statement coming in from the Congress leaders.
Absolutely. And this is the Congress president that we're talking about. We also see several other opposition leaders as well who are continuing to mock the Prime Minister. Listen into these reactions.
He may be there and we wish that he is there. But the question is, since he is Bhagwan, it doesn't really matter. Because he has said कि भाई जब तक मेरी माँ जिंदा थी तब तो मैंने सोचा था कि मैं उनकी कोख से पैदा हुआ हूँ, लेकिन मुझे अब ऐसा एहसास हो रहा है कि भगवान ने मुझे भेजा है। तो जब भगवान के रूप में आप यहाँ प्रकट हो गए हो तो आपको पता चल जाएगा 2047 में क्या होगा। तो मैं मुबारकबाद देना चाहता हूँ मोदी जी।
Now let's remind you how Rahul Gandhi and his coterie are also trying to paint the Prime Minister as a blabbering madman.
देश के प्रधानमंत्री चमचों के सामने इंटरव्यू में खुल के कहते हैं मैं बायोलॉजिकल नहीं हूं, मैं बायोलॉजिकल नहीं हूं, मुझे परमात्मा ने ऊपर से भेजा है, मिशन के लिए भेजा है। सड़क पे आपको ये कोई कह दे तो आप उसे क्या कहोगे? उसे कहोगे भैया माफ करो, काम अपना करो, हमें अपना काम करने दो।
मानसिक संतुलन खो बैठे हैं प्रधानमंत्री। एक तो पहली बीमारी उनको पहले से ही थी कि गलती से भी सच नहीं बोल सकते थे, झूठ की बीमारी, झूठ की महामारी वो फैला रहे थे। जो व्यक्ति कहता है मैं इंसान नहीं हूँ, मैं पैदा नहीं हुआ हूँ, भगवान ने मुझे यहाँ रखा है, तो कुछ जरूर गड़बड़ है।
கடந்த ஒரு வாரமாக பார்த்தீர்கள் என்றால் பைத்தியம் பிடித்தவரை போல மன நோயாளியை போல உளறிக் கொண்டிருக்கின்றார். 400 ஆரம்பித்த அவருடைய உளறல் இன்றைக்கு நான் கடவுள் என்னை நேரடியாக பெற்று அனுப்பினாரா அல்லது உருவாக்கி அனுப்பினாரா என்று சொல்லவில்லை, கடவுள் இடமிருந்து வந்திருக்கின்றேன் என்று சொல்றார்.
Kane sir, your dinner.
On a tile? It's antibacterial.
Easy to clean.
But plates? Kane bhai, it's a tile ad.
IM Plus technology से बने वर्ल्ड क्लास टाइल्स, टाइल हो तो सिंपल हो।